friends! Today we're going to make my vegan potato nachos. They are so nutritious and easy to make. This is my favorite dinner to make at home. We have crispy potatoes, spicy bean, creamy queso, and some fresh and vibrant toppings. It's packed with veggies and tastes amazing. We're going to start by baking some potatoes. I like to cut 4 large potatoes into little wedges and then season them with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and toss them to get a nice even coating. We are going to put them onto a baking tray and bake them at 220 degrees for 40 minutes. In the meantime, cover a cup of cashews with boiling water and we'll let them sit for at least half an hour. Now to chopping our veggies. I'm using a small capsicum. You want to cut it into bites that are a similar size of the black beans. And I'm using some coriander. I keep the leaves to add as a topping and the stalks will go with our beans and veggies in the pan. I'm also chopping a quarter of a red onion as finely as possible, which we will use raw as one of our toppings. We are juicing half a lime and keeping the rest in little wedges to use as a garnish. Rolling the lime with your hand helps release its juices. And now we just have to chop the cherry tomatoes in half. And that's it for our veggie prep. For the cashew queso, we add the soaked cashews, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, half a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoons of chipotle in a butter sauce, and half a cup of soy milk or any plant milk that you like, and blend until perfectly smooth. Now to a pan on medium heat, add half a tablespoon of olive oil, 1 cup of black beans, half a cup of corn, the red capsicum and coriander stalk, 1.5 tablespoons of Mexican spice mix, and let it cook for 5 minutes until the vegetable have softened. And squeeze the juice of half a lime. Our potatoes are nice and golden brown by now, and we can start building our nachos. The first layer is going to be the potatoes. Then we can add the beans and veggie mix and a generous amount of the queso cream. All there is left to do is to add all of our favorite toppings, starting with a lot of avocado, a sprinkle of red onion, the coriander leaves, the cherry tomatoes, and finish it off with a good squeeze of lime. And that's it! These potato nachos are so delicious, nutritious, and are my all-time favorite dinner. I really hope you give them a go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy, healthy, plant-based recipes.